Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will see the new feature of WhatsApp, which is View Once. Let's start. Update your WhatsApp. I have two WhatsApp and both are updated. So this View Once feature is similar to the View Once feature of Instagram. After updating your WhatsApp, go to WhatsApp, open a chat. First, discuss the traditional method of sending images. Whenever we send the image, we can see a thumbnail in the chat, in receiver's chat and in sender's chat. Let me open the receiver's WhatsApp. This is receiver's chat and image thumbnail is visible. Also, we can reply over these images like this. We can delete these images as well. These are the existing features of images you all are aware. But now let's discuss the View Once feature. Select an image from gallery and see. There is an option of View Once at the bottom, this one. Press this and it will set the photo to View Once and send the image. See, this is how your photo will look like. It doesn't have any thumbnail. Let me send again this picture without clicking on View Once button. Select the photo and click on Details button. You can see Opened. This feature is for tracking whether the picture is opened or not by the receiver. Now go to the receiver's WhatsApp and see. We got two pictures. One is View Once mode, and another one is in default mode. You can see blue ticks on photo. Go back to receiver's WhatsApp and open this. See, we can see this picture and also take the screenshot. But as soon as we close this photo, we won't be able to reopen this. Now you can see the photo has changed to the open. And we can see the time when the receivers open this. We can see the another picture but can't open this photo. Also, when we tap on this picture, there will be an emoji animation. Back to the receiver's WhatsApp and send images without View Once feature and with View Once feature. Now see, there are two options. One is delete and another one is report. Click on View Once button on Learn More. This will redirect you to the WhatsApp site. You can read about this feature here as well. Let me tell you some key features of this View Once. If you send the image in View Once, then it won't be saved in the gallery of the receiver. And also, if you send this image, then receiver can view this only once and can take the screenshots. And as soon as receivers close that image, it won't be reopened. If the receivers don't open this image within 14 days, then that image will be permanently deleted. Similarly, you can send the videos as well in View Once mode. Thanks for watching guys. Do comment your doubts if you have any.